Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss worksheet number 55 gravitation free fall. Jikasa Didi, how do the objects thrown upwards fall on the Earth's surface? Gyan, any object thrown upward reaches a certain height and then it starts falling down. When an object falls towards Earth's surface under the influence of gravitational force of Earth alone, then its motion is termed as free fall. During free fall, the direction of motion remains the same, but the velocity of the object increases at a constant rate, and any change in the velocity involves acceleration. The acceleration during the free fall is called as acceleration due to gravity. Equation for acceleration due to gravity of Earth. ये हमारा क्वेश्चन 3 भी है, तो आप इसको ध्यान से समझ लीजिएगा. Let mass of the earth be m and mass of the object be small m. Let d be the distance between object and the earth's center. F be the force of attraction exerted by the earth on the object. Therefore, by universal law of gravitation, F is equal to g m into m upon d square. ये समीकरण 1 हो गया हमारा. From second law of motion, we know that the magnitude of force on an object is the product of its mass and acceleration a. During free fall, acceleration is g. Therefore, F is equal to mg, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, mg is equal to g, capital G, m into m upon d square. और m से m कैंसिल हो गया, तो g is equal to capital G m upon d square. Let the object be near or on the surface of earth. Then the distance d is equal to r. d r के इक्वल हो जाएगा, radius of the earth. Then the acceleration due to gravity will be g is equal to capital G m upon r square. तो ये हमारा फॉर्मूला भी डिराइव हो गया. As the earth is not a perfect sphere, its radius r increases from poles to the equator. As a result, the value of g becomes greater at the poles than at the equator. यानी g पोल पर ज़्यादा होता है बिकॉज रेडियस कम होती है. Explain free fall in brief. When an object falls towards Earth's surface under the influence of gravitational force of Earth alone, then its motion is termed as free fall. Example, when we drop a ball from the top of building. Question number 2. What is acceleration due to gravity? What is its unit? The acceleration during the free fall is called as acceleration due to gravity. Its unit is meter per second square. Derive the formula to calculate the value of g. तो इस तरीके से आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और ये मैं आपको समझा चुका हूँ पहले. ठीक है, तो आप इसको कर लीजिए और इस तरह से डिराइव हो चुका है और पहले समझा चुका हूँ. कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मुझे मैसेज में पूछ सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Why the value of g is greater at poles in comparison with equator? तो इसमें आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं, एज द अर्थ इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्फेयर, यानी पोल से थोड़ा दबी होती है. इट्स रेडियस आर इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम पोल्स टू द इक्वेटर. एज अ रिजल्ट द वैल्यू ऑफ जी बिकम्स ग्रेटर एट द पोल्स देन एट द इक्वेटर, क्योंकि पोल्स पर रेडियस कम होती है सेंटर तक, ठीक है, और इक्वेटर पर ज़्यादा होती है.